Good morning, students. Today we will start with question number 5. According to the question, what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. And here we have to use pi equals to 3.14. So according to the question, h is equal to 8 meter, r is equal to 6 meter. So first of all we will find out L. So we know that L is equal to under root r square plus h square. So we will just put the values 6 square plus 8 square, that is 36 plus 64, 100, and 100 is the square of 10. So L equals to 10 meter. Now curved surface area of the tent is given by pi RL. So here we have to use the value pi as 3.14. So 3.14 into 6 into 10 meter square. Now other information which is given is width equals to 3 meter, and we have to find out the length of the tarpaulin required for making the conical tent. We know that area is equal to length into breadth. So length is equal to area by width. Area we have already found, that is 3.14 into 6 into 10, and width is 3. So when you solve it, you will get it as equal to 62.8 meter. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. You will just cut it, you will get it as 62.8 meter. Now according to the question, the margin is also given for stitching and wastage, which is approximately 20 centimeter. So first of all we will convert this margin, which is given 20 centimeter, into meter, because the question is asked in terms of meter. So here 20 centimeter will be equal to, we will divide by 100, we will get it as 0.20 meter. So actual length of tarpaulin required, it will be equal to the area which we have found out, that is 62.8, plus the margin which is required for the wastage and all, that is 0.20. When you add it, you will get it as equal to 63 meter. Now let us solve question number 6. Question 6 is given, the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per meter square. So what are the informations given? It is given L equals to 25 meter and diameter is 14, that is why R equals to 7 meter. So we will find out the curved surface area, which is equal to pi RL. We will use the value 22 by 7 into R is 7 and L is 25. When you solve it, you will 7 gets cut, 22 into 25 is 550 meter square. Now the cost of whitewashing according to the question is per 100 meter square is rupees 210. So what will be the cost of whitewashing this area, that is 550 meter square, that will be equal to 210 by 100 into 550. When you will solve it, you will get this as equal to rupees 1155. Now let's see question number 7. It is given, a joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So according to the question, what are the informations given? It is given R equals to, because it is a cap, so we know that the shape of the cap is like this, and the informations which are given are R equals to 7 cm of the cap and height is 24 cm, and we have to find out the area. So to find out the area, we know that we have to find out L. So L will be equal to under root R square plus H square, that is 7 square plus 24 square. Solve this, 49 plus 576, that is equal to 625, and we know that 625 is the square of 25. So L will be equal to 25 centimeter. Now the curved surface area of one cap will be equal to pi RL, that is 22 by 7 into 7 into 25, which we have found out. 7 gets cut. 22 into 25 equals to 550 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of sheet for 10 such caps. Here we have found out the area of sheet required to make one cap. So area of sheet required to make 10 such caps will be equal to 550 into 10, that is 5500 centimeter square. Now the last question of this exercise. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? And here hint is also given. Use pi as equal to 3.14 and take under root 1.04 as 1.02. So let us solve the question. Here the diameter is given, which is equal to 40 centimeter. So r will be equal to 40 by 2, that is 20 centimeter. And we will have to convert this into meter, since the question is given in terms of meter. And height is given 1 meter. So to find out the curved surface area of the hollow sphere, hollow cone, we have to find out L, because we know that curved surface area equals to pi r L. So under root r square plus h square. R is 0.2 whole square and h is 1 square. Solve it, you will get it as 0.04 plus 1, that is equal to 1.04, and it is already given in the question that under root 1.04 equals to 1.02. Now curved surface area of one cone equals to pi RL. So here we have to use pi as 3.14. So 3.14 into 0.20 into 1.02. When you multiply it, you will get it as 0.64056 meter square. We have to find, this is the curved surface area of one cone. We have to find out the curved surface area of 50 such cones. So for finding the curved surface area of 50 cones, we will multiply this area with 50. When you multiply this, you will get answer as 32.028 meter square. Now it is given, we have to find out the cost of painting these cones at the rate of rupees 12 per meter square. Means the cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 12. So what is the cost of painting 32.028 meter square? We will multiply this area with rupees 12. That is coming 384.336 meter rupees. Okay. So that will be approximately 384.34 rupees. So students, for today this much only. We have completed exercise 13.3 also. Thank you.